Reusable bags seem like a simple, everyday item that you grab on your way out of the grocery store. But what if I told you these unassuming totes have been used to smuggle diamonds, build houses, make high-fashion runway gowns, and even help solve murders? Stick around, because today we are diving deep into the surprisingly wild world of reusable bags. Most of us think of reusable bags as that eco-friendly alternative to plastic that started popping up everywhere in the last couple of decades. They are the fabric warriors fighting the war on single-use plastics. Yet the story of reusable bags goes back much further than you probably expect, and it is packed with twists most people have never heard. The origin story begins not in some trendy zero-waste shop, but in the gritty world of 1940s wartime rationing. During World War II, materials like cotton and paper were tightly controlled. People needed sturdy bags that could last for years. Companies in Europe and the United States started producing heavy-duty string bags made from woven netting. These bags could stretch to hold an astonishing amount, then fold down to almost nothing. French housewives carried them in their purses everywhere. They were nicknamed fillet bags, and they became the first truly widespread reusable shopping bag long before anyone talked about saving the planet. Fast forward to the 1970s, environmental awareness was growing, and supermarkets in Scandinavia began experimenting with stronger polypropylene woven sacks. These flat, boxy bags, with reinforced handles, could hold 50 pounds without ripping. They were cheap to make, nearly indestructible, and perfect for carrying groceries home on bicycles. One particular design exploded in popularity: the iconic blue and white striped bag from a Swedish furniture giant we all know. Billions of these bags have been sold worldwide. They are so common that they have become a symbol of frugality and practicality. Innovation never stopped. In the 1990s, luxury brands noticed that people were using these cheap supermarket bags as everyday totes. Designers decided to flip the script. High-end fashion houses started releasing limited edition, reusable bags made from premium canvas, organic cotton, and even recycled ocean plastic. Some of these bags cost hundreds of dollars and sell out instantly. Runways in Paris and Milan have featured models carrying oversized reusable totes as the centerpiece of collections. What began as a wartime necessity had officially become couture. Culturally, reusable bags reveal fascinating differences around the world. In Japan, the My Bag movement means almost everyone carries a compact foldable bag at all times. It is considered polite and responsible. In Germany, bringing your own bag is practically a national pastime. Forgetting one earns you judgmental looks at the checkout. In parts of Africa and Southeast Asia, beautifully woven market baskets made from natural fibers have been used for centuries and are now being rediscovered by sustainability influencers. Meanwhile, in India, the classic jute tote has been carrying everything from rice to schoolbooks since long before plastic existed. Now, let us get into the truly surprising uses that will probably shock you. In 2019, Belgian customs officials caught diamond smugglers using ordinary supermarket reusable bags to move millions of dollars worth of uncut stones across borders. The bags looked so normal that they never raised suspicion. Architects in Colombia have started using discarded polypropylene reusable bags as reinforcement material inside ecobricks. They stuff plastic bottles with old bags, then stack those bottles with mud to build incredibly strong low-cost houses for communities in need. Forensic scientists have discovered that the unique weave patterns on reusable bags can leave microscopic traces on objects, helping police link suspects to crime scenes in ways plastic bags never could. Artists are turning thousands of used bags into massive public sculptures. One installation in Los Angeles used over 40,000 bags to create a glowing whale floating above the city, highlighting plastic waste in a stunning way. Farmers in arid regions are cutting reusable bags into strips and weaving them into shade cloth that protects crops while allowing water to drip through slowly, reducing evaporation by up to 70%. Even NASA has gotten involved. Astronauts training for Mars missions use modified reusable bags as part of their waste management systems because the bags are lightweight, strong, and can be cleaned and reused indefinitely in space. One of the wildest facts is that the world record for the largest reusable bag, recognized by Guinness, measured over 200 feet long and 100 feet wide. It was sewn together by volunteers in Qatar and held more than 50,000 people standing inside it. Another mind-blowing detail: the average reusable bag has a carbon footprint 100 times lower than a paper bag and up to 400 times lower than a single-use plastic bag. But only if you actually reuse it at least 50 times. Many people buy cute, reusable bags, use them once or twice, then forget them in the car. That defeats the entire purpose. So, where does this leave us today? Reusable bags have evolved from wartime necessity to cultural icon, to unexpected hero in fields, ranging from fashion to space exploration. They prove that the simplest objects often hide the most remarkable stories. Next time you reach for that crumpled tote in your trunk, remember, it is part of a global legacy that spans nearly a century and touches lives in ways most of us never imagined. If you enjoyed discovering the hidden history of these everyday objects, hit that like button and subscribe to Objectified so you never miss an episode. Drop a comment below telling me the strangest thing you have ever carried in a reusable bag. I read every single one. And if you have got a friend who still uses plastic bags, share this video with them. Maybe we can convert them together. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.